welcome back. This is the final video of this so long. So excited to have you here for finishing our little garment. I'm hoping that your garment came together as you wanted it to, and that you learned a lot and that you enjoyed it and all the rest of it. So to finish this garment, we are going to put, or at least I put, a snap button combo. Now before having little ones, I did all sorts of finishing, like closures for garments, and since having little ones, especially with wiggly babies, I love a snap button combo. Basically basically I will always use a snap because it's so much easier to get together with a wiggly baby. And then if I want the look of a button, I'll just sew her on and it's a false button. So that I might not sew a button every single time, but I really like the hand snaps. So I will sew that on. I do have an old video. Goodness, it's an old video, but it is still good information. It's just really bad editing. So I'll link that down below of how you can sew on your snap if you want to see how I do it. And then the other thing that you need to do is you need to hand sew those raw edges of the neck of the lace at the neckline. Remember, we left like about an inch or so. You just need to fold it over twice so it's flush with the placket and sew her in place. And I like to use that Madeira 80 weight thread so it just sort of disappears in the lace and you can't really see the stitches, and I will just sew it there, and that is that. And yes, this dress should have a slip with it. I'm looking forward to doing things like that in my grandmother years, because right now I'm doing my best, but it should have a slip with it. I think the pattern does have a slip in it, and if you are a better person than I am, you will make a slip for yours. Great fabrics to use for a slip would be like Imperial Batiste. You could do, my mind just went blank, any of the batistes would be lovely. You could do something of a similar color, you could do something in white, whatever floats your boat. You could really jazz up a slip or just have it be, basically the reason for a slip is you have all this insertion lace and you, it keeps you from seeing like the baby's skin, and it just has the dress lay nicer, keeps you from seeing the diaper, you know, it just has everything polished and laying nice and things like that. So you could have it be whatever color, and yeah. I think there's a house fly in here. I keep hearing something buzz around. Oh, I see it. Anywho, I hope you guys had enjoyed this so long. If you have suggestions for the next so long, by all means, I'd love to hear from you. We did this so long because I got a suggestion from a viewer for an old-fashioned baby gown, old-fashioned, oh my gosh, my coffee, old-fashioned baby dress. What's the pattern called? Old-fashioned baby. That's the pattern name. The pattern brand, pattern line. Oh my god, I need to get off of this thing. So if you have a suggestion, put it down in the comments below, and you might get chosen. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer them. And as always, I appreciate y'all for watching, and I hope to catch y'all on the next one.